In this lesson, we'll show you how to use After Effects to make an animated text title and then dynamically link it into the Premiere Pro project that we're creating. So if you update it in After Effects, it will update in Premiere Pro. Let's open After Effects and make a new project. Click on the New Project button. Click on New Composition. We're going to name this Title and click OK. Click on the Type tool. Click in the middle of the preview window and write in capital letters what your title is. Select the title and go to the Text module and click on the text number and drag it to the right to make your font bigger. Find a font that you like. Click on the drop down here, and I'm going to go with Impact. I'll need to make my title a little bit bigger. Now click on the Selection tool and then come down to the track down here. Click on the arrow to get more options. Click on the Animate button and click on Tracking. And that will give us more options. Where it says Animator 1, click on the Add button. Let's go to Property and then go to Opacity. Where it says Tracking Amount, there's a 0. Click on the 0 and drag it to the left until all of the letters are on top of each other or close to it. With my font and my size, my number would be -66. Let's save this document so far. Do a Command S, and we're going to name it Title. The extension is AEP, and I'm going to put it on my desktop in the Space Station Showdown folder. Click Save. If I open up the Space Station Showdown folder, I see my title.aep inside of it. The next thing we're going to do is set the opacity to 0. Let's drag that all the way to the left, or you can type the number in. Click on the arrow to the left of Range Selector 1. Let's click on the stopwatch to the left of the word Start. And that's going to add a diamond onto the timeline right here. What we want to do is have this animation go for 1 second. So on the bottom, click on the zoom and click and drag it to the right until you see 1 second right here. Take the time indicator and drag it to 1 second. It doesn't have to be exactly at 1. You can get it close. Now for the start option, let's take that 0 and make it 100. So when it's at 0 seconds, it's here, and then when it's 1 second, it comes out like this. It looks pretty cool so far, but we're going to add some more options to it to make it look even cooler. Now click and drag to select both of the diamonds on the timeline. And then on the first one, do a right click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and then Easy Ease. Bring it to 0 and press the spacebar to watch the animation. We're almost there. I'm going to bring this up so we can see all of the options over here. You want to click on this little dark square. It's a motion blur square. Click on that to add that option to our animation. If you don't see that option, come down here and click on Toggle Switch Modes. And this is what will happen when you click on that. Now bring your time indicator to the left and press the spacebar again. Looks pretty cool, right? Do Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.